Hey everyone! If you've ever been baffled by Microsoft Office, wondering how to navigate through endless menus or make your documents look just the way you want them, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving deep into the secrets of MS Office that'll transform you from a beginner to a pro. Let's get started. First up, Microsoft Word. It's not just about typing up notes. Did you know you can insert a table of contents automatically? Yeah, that's right. Go to the References tab, click on Table of Contents, and boom, it's all laid out for you. This little trick can save you so much time, especially with longer documents. Moving on to Excel, a powerhouse for data analysis. Ever heard of pivot tables? These bad boys can summarize your data with just a few clicks. Head over to the Insert tab, select Pivot Table, and let Excel do its magic. You can see patterns, trends, and get a visual summary without diving into formulas. And let's not forget PowerPoint, the king of presentations. To make your slides stand out, try using the Morph transition. It smoothly animates objects across slides, giving your presentation a sleek, professional look. Just duplicate a slide, move your objects around, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Watch as your presentation comes to life. Lastly, OneNote. It's like a digital notebook on steroids. You can clip web content, doodle, or even record audio notes. It's perfect for keeping all your school projects organized in one spot. And the best part? It syncs across all your devices. So there you have it. A quick tour through Microsoft Office that'll hopefully make your school projects a breeze. Remember, practice is key to mastering these tools. Don't be afraid to explore and make mistakes. That's part of learning. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see how you all harness the power of MS Office to rock your projects. Catch you in the next tutorial.